So he was asking me for lunch. Then I ignored the SMS because it was a strange number. Today, by around 11, I got a phone call from the same number. The lady was calling me, "Hi, Honorable Mheshimiwa. I called you, I SMS you yesterday asking for lunch, and you didn't respond. Can I get my lunch today?" In fact, fortunately or unfortunately, I had a letter from my ward, which was I was taking to the County Director of Education. So I thought maybe she's aware because I visited that office just the other week. So there was a letter which I was to channel to that department, the County Director of Education. So I thought she was the one, because when I was in that office, the lady was not there. So I took the initiative to go to the County Director office, if at all they are aware of that number. And they told me, even the MP for Seme and other MPs has complained of the same, and they had called the office to confirm if at all that is the County Director asking for lunch from honorable members. Fortunately, when I was leaving the office of the County Director, I met another honorable member who was at the time, that moment, was sending money to the con lady. Let me call her the con lady. He was sending money to the con lady. Then I asked, "Are you sending money to the County Director of Education?" Saying yes. "No, don't call." And in fact, he went as far as cancelling the transaction. Then I explained to him, this must be a con lady. So I confirmed that she was a con lady because there is no such a person in that Department of Education. Second to that, she's calling herself Gladys. And if you, I tried to attempt sending the money. Then the name which was coming was somebody Chariot. So there was a difference between the name she was calling herself and the name which was being shown at the M-Pesa transaction.
Have you reported to the station?
Yes, I've reported to the CID department so that they should take up the matter.
Maybe what measures should be taken to curb this, having that just recently the same was happening around Nairobi?
Yeah, we are wondering who gave her our numbers. So that these are threats to our lives, because if somebody a stranger can access your contact and call you honorable member and asking you for money, so we are scared, and we need the government agency who are concerned, which is police and the investigation authorities, to investigate and report to us, and also take action to such kind of person.
I mean, yesterday a lady did send me a message, as I've just informed you. She's claiming to be Madam Gladys from the county government, Director of Education, and she wanted me to buy her lunch. Unfortunately for her, yesterday I was very busy, so I didn't pay much premium to her request. But she persistently called me, and I asked her, "Who are you that is demanding lunch from me?" It had struck me that this was quite unusual. It's so difficult really for a stranger, somebody you've not met, to ask you for lunch.